Hey, my friends. Welcome back to the English Insight Podcast. I'm Daniel. Today's episode is for beginners and also for anyone who wants to speak English more naturally, without stress. Today, we are not going to study difficult grammar rules. Instead, we are going to use simple English, real English, the kind of English you can use every day. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Sometimes, the biggest problem is not grammar. It's not knowing what to say in simple situations. For example, someone asks you a question, and you freeze. You know English, but you don't respond. So today, I will give you simple sentences and show you how to use them in real life. And remember, don't just listen. Pause the video and repeat after me. This is called shadowing, and it will help you speak faster and more confidently. Let's start with something very simple. I'm not sure. This sentence is very useful when you don't have an answer. You don't need to stay silent. You don't need perfect English. You can just say, I'm not sure. For example, someone asks you a difficult question. You can say, I'm not sure. Let me think. Now pause and repeat it. Good. Next sentence. Give me a second. You use this when you need a little time. It's very natural, very common, and very useful. For example, someone is waiting for you. You say, give me a second, I'm coming. Now it's your turn. Repeat it slowly. Nice. Now let's connect these two sentences. I'm not sure. Give me a second. This is how real English works. Short, simple, natural. Repeat that. Great. Next sentence. That makes sense. You use this when you understand something and you agree. For example, your friend explains something and you say, oh, that makes sense. Pause and repeat. Very good. Now let's continue. I didn't catch that. This is very important in real conversations. When you don't hear or understand, don't stay silent. Say this sentence. For example, sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? Now repeat it. Excellent. You see what we are doing? We are building real communication. Not just grammar, but speaking. Next sentence. Let me check. You use this when you want to confirm something. For example, let me check. I'll tell you. Repeat it. Good. Now let's make it a little longer. I'm not sure. Let me check. I'll tell you. This sounds very natural. Repeat slowly. Great job. Next sentence. No worries. This is a very friendly sentence. You use it when everything is okay. For example, sorry I'm late. No worries. Repeat that. Nice. Now another useful one. Sounds good. You use this when you agree with a plan. For example, let's meet at 5. Sounds good. Repeat it. Very good. Now let's connect again. No worries. Sounds good. Simple, but powerful. Repeat. Excellent. Now take a moment. You are already speaking real English. You are not thinking about rules. You are using sentences, and that is the key. Let's continue. I'll get back to you. You use this when you need time and will answer later. For example, I need to check. I'll get back to you. Repeat it. Good. Next sentence. I'm on my way. You use this when you are going somewhere now. For example, I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. Repeat it. Nice. And one more. Take your time. You use this to tell someone not to hurry. For example, no rush. Take your time. Repeat. Very good. Now let's put everything together, slowly. I'm not sure. Give me a second. Let me check. I'll get back to you. Repeat that, step by step. This is how you build fluency. not by learning more, but by using what you already know. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need usable English. English that helps you speak, connect, and express yourself. So go back, listen again, and practice with me. Use shadowing, repeat, and feel the language. Even 10 minutes a day can change your English. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to speak English more naturally. And I'll see you in the next episode of English Insight Podcast. Take care and keep practicing.